YouTubers, everybody. I thought I will do a unboxing. It's ice cream, Norwegian. They promise. So it won't be so much, it's just this package. But I do have a hobby project I'm working on that maybe I'll show you later if it's successful. So I get my buck knife. I don't know if you can see it there. You see, I'm not very good at these things. There. So I'm excited. It took some time. I was expecting it last week, but the guy said it was so bad weather there, a storm, so he couldn't send it. So I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. There. This is the thing. Or things. So I'm excited. So there. Oh yeah. There we got the. There. Now it looks clear. So. Ah yes. Gillette disposable prep razor. Use once only. And let's see. There. Let's see. Hospital use only. Not for resale. And you can see it's shave ready. Is it like you shave with it and then you throw away the whole thing? I thought you could put in a blade here. Just look like you can take the handle off. So if you know anything about these one-time use razors for hospitals, you let me know. Kind of cool. It's nice to have the collection, I guess. And it says Gillette. So we come to the piece of the resistance. Bam, bam, bam. It's a Matador razor. That's how it looks like. And comes with some blades here. Don't have my glasses on, as you can see. So it doesn't say Matador. I think it's made for like a ceramics company or something like that. I think there has some name or some printing under here. I mean, we can take some pictures. So let's see. Yeah, I don't have my glasses on. Maybe you can see it. Wrapped in wax paper. Very nice paper. So let's see. The razor looks good. 3-piece. There. So that's that. I've never seen this Matador before. But I do have this one. But it doesn't close properly like this one. It's not a perfect seal. Maybe it's, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. But I thought I was going to fix it on this one. Just take out the pin. But when I start pushing, I broke off a piece like there. So I won't be doing that. And this one looks like so. And I just this is the two-piece razor. I really love these razors. Are really good. And I got some right blades for it too, Matador. So I'll probably put in some in this one too. So thank you for your time. It's a little bit hard and it doesn't fit close. Thank you for your time. See you again in a shave, because you know I need it. Take care and may you all have solid shaves.